So today was just kind of taking things out of this compartment. Evap canister was right here on the driver's side. Over there was the battery platform and the radiator fluid overflow, and just a bunch of stuff that I need out of the way so we can kind of prep this stuff. So that's where the jack was. I took that stuff out, kind of tied up a few things, put the hinges back on just so I can close it. Took the valance off right at the window. That stuff's all out here. So we got the valance there, we got the battery box, the radiator fluid, and that evap canister. It's probably not going back in. I don't need it, because we're gonna have a much better engine after this. So, and I don't know if I did the picture of the cab afterwards. We got most everything cleaned out of here, and then stuff behind the seat. Took the wipers, put them back here. One piece of chrome trim goes down there by the door. But it's getting there. We're slowly getting there. Oh, and they had dropped this down that hole behind the battery box and everything. It's a 1/2-inch extension. I mean, a nice one. So I mean, it's nothing massive, but it's a 10-inch extension for a 1/2 inch. So that's a good deal. It's awesome. Nothing like free tools. So that's the second 1/2-inch extension I got. This one was 10, the other I think was 6. So that's about it.